Hey, it's Lindsay. Up next, I have a 10-minute glute workout for you, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. If you're ready, hit the thumbs up button, and we're gonna get started right now. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So our first exercise is gonna be on the ground, and we're gonna be here in our quadruped doggy position, and we're gonna start with straight leg on the side, and we're rotating back to front. Good, so let's go ahead and get started. Each exercise today is gonna be about 1 minute long, with maybe a tiny bit of transition time to transition to the next exercise, and we are not coming back to any of these exercises, so let's really work hard while we are doing them. We have about 30 seconds left. Trying to keep your body square to the ground and not letting that leg pull you over, and really controlling and using those glutes to squeeze. Good, we have 10 seconds. Good, starting to feel a burn already. 3, 2, 1, very good. Let's switch sides. Other leg up to the back, and let's rotate around to the side. Good, trying to keep it nice and level. We're not raising and lowering, we're controlling by lifting sideways. Good, keep squeezing. Control that movement, not super fast. Good, and really using that glute to squeeze and control. We have about 20 seconds left. Good, making sure that your shoulders stay square to the ground so you're not opening up to the side. Our next exercise in 5 seconds is bent leg, tiny circles. Good, so going back to that first side. Here we go, bent leg up, and we are making tiny circles with our knee. Wow, I'm already feeling the burn in that quad and that glute, and the glute on the other side. Good, keep it going. At 30 seconds, we'll switch that circle to the other way, working on control and motion. Good, let's switch directions. Good, keep making those tiny circles like you have a pencil attached to your knee, and you're making perfect circles on a piece of paper behind you. Good, 10 seconds left. Keep squeezing, almost there. 5 seconds, and 3, 2, 1. Nice, let's switch sides. Good, get that leg up, start making those circles. Good, tiny circles. This leg is a little bit harder for me. I don't think I'm as coordinated on this side. But as long as I keep practicing, I'll get there. Good, and trying not to sway to the side with your hips, trying to keep them nice and controlled. Good, keep circling. We're gonna switch in 3, 2, 1, and switch directions. Good, keep drawing with your knee as if it was a pencil. Good, and making sure that you're not arching your back too far. You're keeping controlled, keeping that hip neutral. Good, we're almost there. 5 seconds. Next exercise are back kicks. So we're going back to that first leg, extend that out, and we are kicking up high and fast, really driving that leg up. Good, and kick, and kick. Good, nice and fast, and you're trying not to bend that knee as you do this. You're squeezing that quad, squeezing that glute to drive it up powerfully and explosively, but still not arching in your back. So we're not working on that. We're working on our glutes today, so we're isolating them. Good, keep it up. 20 more seconds. Staying square to the ground. Don't let that leg pull you over. Control it. Almost there, 10 seconds. Squeezing that quad to keep that leg straight. And 5, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Switch to the other side. Legs straight behind you and ready to go. And kick. Good. Focusing on keeping that quad and that knee tight. Driving up to the sky. Nice and fast, explosive. And then lowering down at a medium speed. So fast and lower. Fast and lower. Good. Keep it up. 30 seconds in. And we are already more than halfway done with this workout, you guys. Very nice. Keep it up. Good. Keep squeezing, making sure your body stays square to the ground, not letting your hips open up to the side. Keeping them square. 10 more seconds. Good. And 5, 3, 2, 1. Next, we're going into side plank clamshells. So here in our getting ready for our side plank position, so elbow on the ground. If you want to lay that hand on the ground, that's good too. Bent knees, and we're going to lift up into our side plank and open up to that clamshell. So really working the outside of our leg. Our abductors are going to get very strong. Good. Keep squeezing and up and down, nice and controlled. Slow and squeeze at the top. Good. And you're trying to open up all the way, but without moving those hips. Good. 5 seconds. And 3, 2, 1. Very nice. Switch to the other side. So getting ready in that side plank position, pushing through that shoulder, bent knees, bent at the hips, and lifting up. And here we go. Good. Lift that leg, trying to open those knees, but not opening up our body, keeping our body square to the front. Good. Keep squeezing, lifting those hips off the ground the whole time. Good, almost there. About 20 more seconds left. Good, you should be feeling it in this lower side leg and up here. Good, 10 seconds. We only have one more exercise on each side. And 3, 2, 1, and here we go. So we're crossing our front leg over, and we're gonna be lifting with the inside of our leg, our adductor. So here we go, up there and down, up and down. Good, and this should only be a very small movement. It's hard to lift your leg a lot in this isolated position unless you're moving your hips about, and you don't wanna be doing that. You wanna keep your hips nice and stable to the ground and just isolating your inner leg and going up and squeezing and down. Good. And squeeze and down. Almost there, 20 more seconds. Good, nice small lifts, big squeeze. Working the inside of your leg. Almost there, 5 seconds. And 3, 2, 1. Our last exercise. Other side. Adductor lifts. Here we go. And up and down. Good. Using that elbow to support you. Leaving this hip on the ground. And just isolating and lifting. Nice small movements. Good. And lift and down. Keep squeezing that quad to keep your leg from bending. Want to try and keep our legs straight. Good, almost there, only 20 seconds left. Good, keep it up, 15 seconds. Trying not to rotate, keep fighting, almost there. Good, 5 seconds. And 3, 2, 1. Very good job, and we are all done. Make sure to hit the like button if you like this video, and hit the subscribe button so you can see more videos just like this one every day. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks so much for working out with me today. Let me know in the comments how that workout went for you, and also make sure to leave me a like if you like this video. I release a new workout just like this one every day, so make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see all the new workouts. Also, if you want to get even fitter, check out this video. I'll see you guys tomorrow.